Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to make decorative bottles. Material: any glass bottle, golden thread and Fevicol. You can also check material in description box. Method: first of all, take any glass bottle. Start applying Fevicol on the bottle from upwards. Then start fixing the golden thread on the bottle surface. Once completed, let it dry. I have already prepared some. They look amazing. Continue doing this. They will look like this. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching our video. Check the description box.